The OnePlus 15 is a beast of a phone and is built like a tank. It's got this new ceramic coating on the body, which gives it that super smooth finish, which protects it from the scratches, but it also makes it a little bit slippery. Like I almost had a little heart attack the other day taking this thing out of my pocket. So I decided to slap some armor on this thing, and Poetic came in clutch with their cases. A huge shout out to them for sending these over. We've got the Poetic Revolution for when I want to take my phone out for maybe like hiking or something, or if I'm just being clumsy. Then we have the Poetic Guardian for when I want to show off the beautiful sandstone finish on this thing, and I still need that magnetic connection to all of my magnetic accessories. But anyways, enough rumbling. Let's get into the nitty gritty of these two cases from Poetic for the OnePlus 15. Okay, first up, we have the Revolution. This is for when you know you're going to be rough on your phone. And maybe you're going to be going out hiking, or if you're a firefighter or in law enforcement. Because this case can take a beating. It offers us military grade protection with its dual layer design. In the box, we also get a couple of glass screen protectors, which is always nice. And taking a look at the case in detail, we see immediately the matte finish on the back, which feels pretty grippy, and it has a nice texture on the sides as well, which also helps with grip. It doesn't feel like it's cheap plastic. It's got a dense, rugged texture that helps manage the phone pretty well in your hands. It just feels secure. Now it's going to be a two-piece design with this case. So we've got a front frame that we see here, and you also get those massive raised edges, top and bottom, and all the way throughout the sides to keep that screen off the table. Going around the case, we've got the buttons, which are fully covered. And one thing I always look for is the click in the buttons. These buttons have a very distinct tactile click to them, so no mushiness here. So if you're wearing gloves, it's easy to operate the buttons, which might be important for someone who's considering this case. Over on the back, let's talk about the kickstand first. It's actually pretty solid if you ask me. Not the most stable one, but once it's engaged, it does the job. It works in both portrait and landscape orientations and sits pretty flush when the kickstand is folded in. Also, because of the kickstand, you don't get any MagSafe compatibility in this case, but you can still wirelessly charge your phone as long as you have the placement right, since you don't have any magnets to guide you. So as long as you have your placement right, your phone will charge wirelessly with no issues, as you guys can see here. Another distinct feature to keep your phone cameras secure on the back is the sliding camera cover. We have 3 camera sensors on the back of the OnePlus 15, and the cover snaps shut so you don't scratch the lenses when you toss your phone in a bag with your keys or some other stuff, or in case of a serious drop. And to round it off, all the openings are going to be pretty precise and the cutouts are great. The USB port has this nice cover that prevents any dust or debris from getting in case you're working in an environment which has a lot of dust or debris that might sneak into the USB-C port. So that's always good to have. So this was the Poetic Revolution case for the OnePlus 15. Now let's go ahead and check out the Poetic Guardian. So this is the Poetic Guardian case for the OnePlus 15. This is the one I've been gravitating towards for daily use for the last few weeks, as it resonates with my daily workflow pretty well. Now, since I'm spending a lot of time scripting out videos or studying on my desk, I love having magnetic charging accessibility right on my desk. The OnePlus 15 doesn't have magnets built in, but the Guardian has a really strong magnetic ring integrated right into the back of this case. It lets me snap the phone onto the ESR 3-in-1 Cryo Boost charger or my Benks portable Qi 2 10,000 milliamp hour wireless power bank for on-the-go charge without any issues, both of which I'm going to link down in the description if you want to grab them for yourself. So MagSafe has become an essential feature for me in the recent times, and it sucks that the OnePlus 15 doesn't support it natively, but that is where the Poetic Guardian case comes in. Now, talking more about the case, it's got a clear back, as you guys can see. So if you bought the Sandstorm or the Ultraviolet colorway, you can actually show them off in this case. The bumper around the edge is thick rubber which absorbs shock, but it doesn't feel as bulky as the Revolution. It also has a grippy texture to help keep the phone in your hands, as it provides plenty of grip while you're holding onto the device. Turning the phone around, the front plate provides a decent lip around the screen to keep it protected, and Poetic does provide you with 2 screen protectors right inside the box, which again is pretty nice. The buttons on the sides here are also nice and clicky, Super responsive again, pretty similar feel to the Revolution if you ask me. The lip around the camera cutout is enough to keep the cameras protected from everyday scratches. Looking at the cutouts around the case, the cutouts are pretty precise, again, just as the Revolution, and we have the same USB-C cover that we saw in the Revolution as well, which again will keep all the dust or lint or whatever you have in your pocket from getting into that USB-C port. I do have a minor gripe with this case though, and it's the fact that the back plastic area does pick up fingerprints relatively easily. So if that's something that bothers the heck out of you, this might not be the case for you. So there we have it. This was the comparison of the Poetic Revolution and the Poetic Guardian cases for the OnePlus 15. I'll leave the links to these cases down in the description below for you guys if you're interested to pick one of these up for yourselves. We're going to be checking out more cases for the OnePlus 15 pretty soon, as well as reviewing the device itself after a month of use. Also, the Galaxy S26 launch is nearing, so we'll be covering all the cases and accessories for that phone as well. So if you want to stay tuned for all those videos coming in the future, make sure you get subscribed. I'm trying to grow my channel to 30,000 subscribers this year, and each one of you makes a huge difference. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.